Here I have XIAOMI 12T, and today I'm going to show you how to record videos in slow motion on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open camera, then switch to the more modes and select slow motion here. So now I'm gonna record something in slow motion. I'm gonna record this flower breakdancing, spinning. So let's get it. Okay, we have it. So you've seen for yourself how quickly this flower been spinning. And now we can check out how it will look like on our slowed video. So as you can see here, it from the beginning it starts like spinning with normal speed, but then it slows down and spins quite slower than it was before. So yeah, slow motion like this. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.